Safety is number one area we want to look at when we are sending our children that are in their late teens, either to go to tertiary institution, learn a trade, or they got a job and they are going to stay alone. As parents and as caregivers and as well-meaning individuals, we want to educate them on some safety tips that can help them to navigate. The first thing you want to do if these young ones who are leaving home to stay on their own, most especially young ladies, young girls, please make sure that you look for an apartment in a busy neighborhood, a neighborhood where you know that people are living within. Don't go and put them in a lonely place or a place where more people are not that much in that area. Please don't go and look for a house in that kind of place for them. Look for a house or look for an apartment in a place that are populated with people and they have neighbors around. That's number one thing you want to know. Number two, you as a young person that want to stay alone, make sure that when you get into your new apartment, get acquainted with your neighbors. Get acquainted with your neighbors and see whether you can build a relationship, but very observant. Be very observant about those who you want to build relationship with. But first, know your neighbors. Try as much as possible to know who they are, people who live around you. Try to watch their personality. Try to watch what they do and see whether there is anyone you can be close to. If none, just have them as good neighbor and have a good relationship with them. Greet them well and make sure that you are humble to them. The third one I want to talk about is if it's possible for your caregivers to install security lights for you or smart doors for you so that it can give you alert or alarm on any danger or people who are moving around your environment. You'll be able to see them from afar and know if these people are people you want to open your doors to or you will want to step out to see what is happening in the neighborhood. If not, stay indoors and don't come out. Please don't open your home to strangers. Total strangers you don't know. They want to get acquainted to you. Please don't open your door to them. If it's possible, have a door that have a camera that you can look through the hole so that you can be able to know who is at the door if you are not able to get a security camera fixed around you. That's one area too. Make sure you don't just open your doors to strangers. Know the kind of men you date. You are in a new environment. You need to be watchful. Don't just allow strangers, any male folk to come into your home in the name of love. Make sure you know them well. Don't accept somebody who you did not invite into your home. An uninvited guest. You just walk into your home and you open your door to the person. The world is becoming critical and the world is becoming wicked. You want to use your common sense. Use your gut system. If something doesn't seem right, be careful. It might not be right. Keep emergency number very handy and try as much as possible to cram at least two of your emergency number so that in case of emergency, you can just dial the number or you can ask somebody to dial the person's number. Always have an emergency number you can call at any time. Have your keys ready. Maybe you are coming back from work, you are coming back from anywhere and it's already getting dark. Make sure your keys are in your hands. Don't get to the door before you start searching for the key to your house. Make sure the keys are in your hands so that the moment you get to the door, you will be fast enough to open your door, enter inside before anybody following you can be able to get to you. So make sure your key is handy before you get to your door. Okay? Build good relationships so that people can check in on you. Caregivers, parents, make sure that these young individuals you send to tertiary institution, you are checking in on them. These young individuals you've sent to entrepreneurship or internship, you are checking in on them. These young individuals that have they got a new job, you are checking in on them. Ladies, be careful so that you don't put yourself in danger. Don't overshare. Don't share your location. Don't share your daily routine so that people don't know how your day goes. They know when you come in and when you go out. Don't share those things. I've talked about oversharing in this page. Try as much as possible not to overshare on social media. Make sure that your life is quiet. Make sure that you understand online safety. Make sure that those rules you know as teenagers still remains. I will share safety tips for our teenagers and our preteens in subsequent video. But for our young ladies who are going to stay alone, take note of these points I have mentioned. Make sure that you are acquainted with your neighbors. Make sure you have accommodation in a busy place. Make sure while opening the door during the night or during the dark, your key is handy with you. Make sure you have emergency number with you. Make sure you don't overshare your location and your daily routine with anyone. Make sure that you have security cameras or security light or smart doors in store, or make sure you have something, a door you can see through outside that can help you to detect who is outside. Don't just date anybody you see or you just met and invite them into your home. Make sure you are observant. Be very careful how you pick friends. Be picky with your friends. Use your gut system. If something don't seem right, be careful. Be on the watch and make sure that you are smart. So these are safety tips for my young ladies who want to live alone, who want to leave home for the first time and stay alone. Either you got a job, you are going to tertiary institution, you want to learn a trade, or whatever reason that makes you to stay alone as a young lady, be very observant. We want your safety and we want you to be smart. So make sure you put all things in check.